everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying something different tonight. Never done this, haven't even done a practice run. I'm just going to wing it and see how it goes. We're going to be using Liquitex pouring medium only with the Liquitex acrylic inks. I've got, what do I have? I've got iridescent bright gold. I've got vivid lime green. We got, I have no idea how to even say that. Phthalocrine green, blue shade. Probably told that name wrong. I'll try and put a picture up and show you what colors I'm using. Actually, I'm going to say Greg will put that up right now, and then when he edits this, he'll put the picture up. Dioxazine purple. I've also got deep turquoise and quinacridone magenta. So there we go, there's the colors I'm doing, and the base is going to be titanium white with the pouring medium. That's it. We're going to try a new style of painting and see how it works. It's a very, very thin consistency. I'll try and show you here up on the side camera how thin it is. It just disappears right away. So fingers crossed that this works. It'll probably work out excellent for a Dutch pour, but I'm not going to try and do that today. Alright, show and tell quickly. The last painting that I did, there it is dry. Not sure if you can see the sparkle in it, but just beautiful. Loved how this turned out. That was my first painting done in my new studio. Alright, I'll be back with you in 2 minutes. Going to move some stuff around and we'll get a little closer up and center on the canvas. I'm only going to be doing a small size canvas because again, it's a test run. Alright, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And stick around. 2 seconds, I'll be back. Alrighty, we're ready to roll here. I am going to be putting the white down as my base. Again, this is just the pouring medium. Titanium white, Liquitex acrylic inks, and pouring medium. Let's see, I made 2 of them just in case I didn't have enough. Let's see how far this goes. I think I'm just going to mush it around with my hand because I'm going to be blowing with my airbrush probably. So let's just make a little bit of a mess. Why not? I think 1 ounce cup is plenty for base. Didn't want it to be too thick on here, so I'm just going to go around the sides quickly. Usually I have this ready to go before I even start videotaping, but I had this quick little brainstorm to give this a try. I didn't really think ahead what I was going to do, other than play with some paints. So if any of you are new checking out my channel, I'm not always this disorganized. I usually got everything ready to go. But if you're new, thank you very much for joining me. And all my regulars, you know how much I appreciate you guys. So thank you very much for waiting out patiently while I was doing a job change and a city change and moving. And I finally have my studio up and running. It's not perfect yet, but it's getting there. And I just happened to unpack my inks and thought, oh, I haven't done anything with my inks for a while. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, so I got my canvas fairly well covered. Let me wipe my hands quickly and we'll create something beautiful. All right, hun, now's the time to hit the music. And let's have some fun. All right, hun, hit the music.
Long nights get out of the city where the stars are shooting out. Long chairs and baskets full of sugar, no one hears us when we shout. Got a fire lit, the smoke until we quit it. Tell your parents find us teach you lots about a life that's made of firewood. Shade trees or hidden beaches were the places I found true. I never wanted attention, I just wanted you. Dancing in the silence, hearing music all the time, feeling so happy, it upsets strangers, but I won't apologize. It's got a lot to do. It's got a lot to do. But you hear it in the places you know, but never on the radio. Dancing in the silence, hearing music all the time, feeling so happy, it upsets strangers, but I won't apologize. It's got a lot to do. It tastes bitter, like secondhand smoke, like a crowded party, or party town joke. Did I accept forgiveness, or do I carry it around? All my bad excuses weigh me to the ground. Stained glass colors, communion with strangers, blood in a glass, but it was right to me. Oh, how the apple broke off from the tree, rolled down the hill and got lost at sea. I recognized you when you walked in the place, 'cause I'm good with faces.